Don't tell these kids childhood dreams can't come true. Cornish Elementary School Principal Mary BRONGA has big plans for them.
We have high expectations for our kids, so we want students that are overall really good, solid achievers and problem solvers.
And the second player would 11.
That means her school has to excel at every level. Top-notch teachers, classes, equipment, and supplies. Not easy when there's barely enough money to make ends meet.
We're a small school, so the budget is very tight.
One item they never need to worry about again, heat, generated from a renewable source.
We have saved, it's a little more than half the cost of last year's heating bill. It's huge.
The school switched from an oil heater to Maine Energy Systems Urca-fan wood pellet boiler.
It's more efficient. You're leaving less of a carbon footprint, so it is really good for the environment. And that's something we're teaching kids. So we're living what we teach. You will cut your energy bills down almost in half.
Those extra dollars are funneled right back into the Cornish school classroom, straight to the students.
We'd have more money to put into things like books and technology and field trips and things that really have to do with student learning.
Wood pellet boilers are a new technology for Americans, but Europeans have been heating their buildings this way for 20 years.
In the European consciousness, there's a deep understanding of fuel shortage and of expensive fuel. We haven't yet gotten there. The boilers are extraordinarily automatic. They are self-feeding, they're self-cleaning. You need to attend to the ash about once every 4,000 or 5,000 pounds of pellets you burn. And it's a process that takes literally 2 or 3 minutes, and you'd be happy to do in your cleanest clothes.
And if a technical issue arises, Maine Energy Systems has trained technicians who are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Senior engineer Dan Wheeler trains all of them.
We run training classes once a month, anywhere from 8 to 15 people per class. Special trainings are available if necessary. We also offer a second tier, more technical training that is mostly geared toward staged or cascade systems of the auto pellet.
Cascade systems can be used to replace up to 2 million BTUs of expensive oil or propane. Partial heat solutions can provide over 90% of the savings for a fraction of the full system replacement costs. Towns all over New England are catching on. The Peterborough, New Hampshire Police Station, the Greenfield, Massachusetts Municipal Building, in Maine, the Gardner Public Works Garage, Bucksport Wastewater Treatment Plant, and Gould Academy, to name a few. It all begins with the pellet, a highly refined, energy-rich nugget of compressed sawdust automatically transported from a storage bin to a day hopper. The Urca-fan boiler, licensed by Maine Energy Systems in Bethel, Maine, feeds itself the exact number of pellets needed for an institution's desired temperature. Simple to heat and operate. But the biggest benefits promise an even greater impact.
If 17 to 18% of the homes in our region, the Northeast, convert to pellet fuel, it'll create about 140,000 new permanent jobs. It's big. It's real big.
If you've got oil, you need to do something else, period, because the price of oil is going to eat you alive over the next decade.
Maine Energy Systems founder Les Otten believes his locally produced wood pellet fuel systems are key to taking back the economy.
When we build capital goods, we create an economy. And right now, Maine, New England, the Northeast, the United States could do a wonderful thing for itself by reinventing the way it distributed, used, produced, consumed energy.
Otten is putting his money where his mouth is. He and his team created the Northeast Affordable Heat Program, guaranteeing the first 1,000 new customers their wood pellet heat at a price equivalent of $1.99 per gallon of fuel oil for 3 years.
We're willing to take the risk because we understand the market. We'll keep money in the United States. We'll create jobs. It's time to become the masters of our own destiny.
A destiny that begins with the next generation.
We're happy, we're warm, we're comfortable, and our students come first. Maine Energy Systems has been great to work with.